Hey guys, it's Chelsea McKinney with Revolved Realty, and I am here at my newest listing at 108 Collington Place. And man, this is probably one of my favorite listings. It is in Madison City. It is 5 minutes to Research Park, to the Arsenal. It is a true 5-bed, 4-bath house, just over 3,500 square feet. It has got the most amazing crawl space. I know that's weird, but it's true, and you will see. It's on a beautiful street and it is immaculate. I'm so excited to show this to you, so let's go on a little tour. All right guys, here we are at 108 Collington Place. This is a beautiful full brick home with shaker shingles in the gable, beautiful landscaping. Something really charming that I love about this house is a actual side entry. Great for those Amazon packages to be placed, as well as an additional entry from this extra parking pad we have over here. This home is on a gorgeous street. I don't know if you can really tell from this video, but all of the homes are super well maintained. All of the lawns are very manicured. We've got some fresh flowers in these pots. And this is just a beautiful entryway. So I will tell you right now that the front porch swing does not stay. It's a family heirloom, but you can put your own front porch swing on this great front porch and enjoy it. All right. Walking in, we have this beautiful 2-story foyer. Solid hardwoods. Immediately to the left, we've got a dining room. These are 10-foot ceilings, extensive crown molding. We also have this beautiful wood staircase. We'll go up that later. One cool thing about this house is that this sectional sofa, which is like less than a year old, is negotiable. If you want to purchase it along with the house, you may do so. Gas fireplace right here. Again, these two-story rooms are really impressive. Extensive molding over the windows. This leads into the kitchen, which is nice and big and open. You also have an entry to the dining room right there and a closet under the staircase. The refrigerator is also negotiable. You've got a great breakfast nook. Obviously, it's pretty large. You can see that there's a 8-top right there. Plenty of seating. Beautiful wood cabinets, granite countertops, and one of my favorite areas is this hearth room. So you actually have 2 gas log fireplaces in this house, this beautiful vaulted ceiling. You have an entry onto the deck. We'll go out there next. Here, and from the breakfast nook. We also have a walk-in pantry, which I'm sure I did not turn the light on. Great. I know there are so many buyers who really want walk-in pantries, but there are so few houses that have them. That's a really good sized pantry. So we have your entry to the garage right here, entry to the mudroom right here. Hey, guess what? Those are also negotiable. So if you want a washer and dryer, work it into the contract, make an offer. And that is the door to your side porch. Laundry room does have a sink. And then let's go look at the deck. You've got this great covered portion over here with a fan. And look at your backyard. I mean, it's so wooded and peaceful and private. This is beautiful. I love all of this iron railing. And then you've got kind of a catwalk to this other gorgeous section of the deck that is not covered, but oh my goodness, I bet you that's negotiable as well for the right price. that is negotiable. So the door you see right there is actually an entry into the master bedroom. So we're going to go ahead and go back in, entry at the hearth room. And then you go through the living room to get to the 2 downstairs bedrooms. That's another great thing about this floor plan. A lot of the times you just have a master on the bedroom, on the first floor, but this has 2 first floor bedrooms, perfect for in-laws or a nursery even. You've got a double tray ceiling in here, lots of natural light. And then you also have this beautiful sitting room. Honestly, when we first came through this house, I thought this would be a perfect place for a nursery. Just a crib, you know, and a changing table would be perfect in here because it's just so convenient. But then I saw the other downstairs bedroom and how convenient it was. And so multiple functions, all the bedrooms in this house. This is a massive countertop. I mean, probably 10, 11 feet, double sink. You do have a separate tub and shower. You've got a large tiled shower, a whirlpool tub. You've got your own little toilet closet and a really good sized closet with a window. So let's go see that other bedroom downstairs that I was talking about that has its own full bathroom. So this is next to the other downstairs bedroom. It's not attached to it, so this also acts as the guest bathroom. It does have a tub shower over here to the left. And another great thing about, there's so many great things about this house. The closets are all really good size, and so are the bedrooms. Those curtains will actually remain with the house. And this is a king size bed. So this room is big enough for a king size bed and 2 nightstands. Good size closet. And then I will take you upstairs. Where you find you have a little loft. This would be a good little nook for maybe a desk to overlook this beautiful living area. So up here you have 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. Another large bedroom. That's a queen size bed right there. You have closets over here with an ensuite bathroom right here. And then the other 2 bedrooms up here have a Jack and Jill bath. Again, queen bed. So I'm not gonna go there because I don't want to, you know, invade their space, but behind that closet door, there is another door with attic access, and it is decked, great storage. And in here, you've got a tub shower and a toilet. Going into the vanity for this other room, currently being used as like a media room, but it is a bedroom. It does have a closet. And again, there is more attic access right here. I'm not gonna go in because I'm sure they have storage, but it is decked, great storage. And so now I'm gonna take you to what I probably consider the coolest part of the house, and it's not even in the house, so stay tuned. Here we are at the back of the house, and you see this full-size door, which is actually the entry to the crawl space, but it's not your average crawl space. This is the most amazing crawl space I think I've ever been in. As you can see, we have concrete, probably 20 feet wide from front to back. We have spray foam insulation. It is so comfortable in here, the temperature. And it apparently stays this comfortable basically all year round. For anybody that wants a dedicated workout room, which I know there are a lot of people who want that. This is so perfect. Look, we've got a treadmill, a rowing machine, a weight bench. I'm surprised I even know what any of this is because, you know, I am me. We have pitching nets. I mean, this is my favorite part of the house. The house has a beautiful layout, but this is just such an added bonus. I mean, look at this crawl space. This is the rest of it. And it is immaculate. This vapor barrier looks probably like it did the day it was put down. So much storage space. And you can walk, I mean, all the way to the other side and still stand comfortably. This is amazing. All the spray foam insulation, we got a D-hue down here. And I mean, this could be anything you dream of. It could be a workout room, it could be a man cave. I see you hiding over there. It could be anything. If you wanna set up some putting lanes, you can, because it's long enough. This would probably be really easy to drywall and, you know, pop a AC vent and make it actual, you know, heated and cooled square footage, although it is really cool like it is. So yeah, I just had to show you this. I know usually we don't go in crawl spaces on walkthroughs, but this is like the mother of all crawl spaces. It's pretty darn awesome. Even the door has spray foam insulation. Okay, so right here, it's not currently, but it could be an awesome gardening area if you're into that sort of thing. I believe it was previously. The previous owner used it as a gardening space. And you know, it is ready to go, all set up for you. The back of the house is really gorgeous. Again, you've got lots of great foliage, some landscaping. And so there's the door to the crawl space. The steps to the deck are right up there, so it's very convenient. Like I said earlier, this is probably my favorite listing. I hope you guys love it as much as I do. Call me if you want to see it. 256-679-7797.